different variants.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. Welcome to yet another monthly beauty haul video. This is for the month of August. Now I have purchased a lot of things from Amazon's makeup and skincare category, and the makeup products that I've purchased, I have used it to create this look. Like majority of it has been used. So the makeup tutorial will be up on my channel or already is up on my channel. As the case may be, I will leave the link of that video down in the description box below for you to check it out. And yeah, without wasting any minute, let's see what I got from Amazon's beauty section. Starting off with makeup products that have been recommended by you all. You all wanted me to try the Swiss Beauty's lip crayon, so I've got two shades from them. This is how it looks like, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. The first shade is 17 Bare, and the other one is 19 Artist Nude. Now Artist Nude is more towards the pinky tone, and I'll just swatch it for you all. This is how it looks like. This lip crayon, right away I can just tell you all, is so creamy and so buttery, and this is what I am wearing right now. Like, I've mixed both the shades, and this is the finish. It completely sets into a matte finish, but while applying it's totally creamy. So I would highly recommend you all to apply a lip balm if you are trying these, because this is a little drying. So yeah, and the other shade, which is Bare, I'll just swatch it for you. It's a very nice nude sort of a shade, and this is how it looks like. Again, so pretty. I mean, I'm obsessed. You can see I've already started using this, and just see the condition. So yeah, both the lip crayons are a must buy. There are a lot of shades to choose from. Please give them a try. And yeah, the next thing that I got is a gel eyeliner from the brand Bella Voste. It's in the shade Velvet Black, and this is how it looks like. It's not a retractable one, you have to sharpen it, and this is the swatch of it. Again, this is very pigmented, very creamy, and this is exactly what I'm wearing right now. This kajal is super long lasting, and once this sets, it is totally smudge proof. So yeah, a good and a very affordable kajal. This is a must buy from Amazon. The next product is from a brand that is quickly making its way into the industry, and how. It's from Cuffs and Lashes. They've recently launched their Cuppy Cake highlighters, and this is how it looks like. I have got this in the shade Hula Baloo. Okay, interesting name. And this is how it looks like, very reflective. I have swatched it for you all. This is how it looks like. Again, the glitter particles are not that chunky, so you can use it on an everyday basis and get away with it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Again, something that I'm wearing right now. I can't wait for you all to see the makeup tutorial. I mean, these products have been used, and how, I mean, I love it. The next thing that I got from the same brand, which is Cuffs and Lashes, is Cuppy Cake blush, and this is how it looks like. Again, this is in the shade So Cheesy. Interesting names. I'll just show you how it looks like from inside. This is such a nice mauvey nude sort of a blush. I absolutely love such blushes. I'll swatch it again for you all. Very nice. I'll just swatch it here. This is highly pigmented. You need very less of the product and it will do the job. Also, this shade is universally flattering, like it will flatter every skin tone. This is so good, especially for everyday basis. You can surely give this one a try, and it is so affordable. This just retails for $225, and you can find it on a discount if you have bulk orders. So please go ahead and give them a try. They also have contouring and banana powders, single thingy. So go ahead and check it out. I have got these two things, and I'm totally loving it. My next purchase is technically not for me. It is occasion specific. Rakhi is around the corner, so I thought, why not purchase the Man Company's deodorant set. It comes in 4 different variants, and this is how the box looks like. Again, very luxe. I'll show you how it looks from inside. The 4 different variants look like this. It's white, black, blue, and red. These have different keynotes, so I think this is a great gifting option. So if you are looking for gifting options, you can give this one a try. I cannot emphasize enough the importance of a sunscreen. My next purchase is a sunscreen from the brand Dermaco. It's their 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel, SPF 50, and this is how it looks like. Again, I love the packaging. It's a pump packaging, so it's very convenient. Also, I have been using this for a while and I cannot wait to share my thoughts. This is effortless. Like, this is such a beautiful sunscreen. I have heard a lot of people say कि मैं sunscreen नहीं लगाती क्योंकि I sweat a lot. I just cannot deal with sunscreen का additional sweat. For those, I am going to recommend this one. This is super lightweight. I'll just show you the texture. It is so lightweight. It will just mesh in your skin effortlessly. Also, it does not leave a white cast, so everybody can use it, and I would highly recommend. एक चीज अगर खरीदना है ना, please go ahead and purchase this. This is a beautiful sunscreen. My next purchase is this dainty jewelry. I got this from Amazon, and the quality, I mean, I have tried a lot of jewelry in the past, as you all are aware. In my past hauls also I have included a lot of jewelry purchases, but by far this is my most favorite one, is because it is very hard to tell if it's real or not. I mean, it's that good. Also, the pricing is very decent. This is from a different brand. I don't remember the name. I will leave all the links down in the description box below. Please guys, give this brand a try. Their jewelry is phenomenal and I am loving it. It's so dainty, I mean, so pretty. Next purchase is relatively a new launch. It's from the brand Dot & Key. They recently launched their Alpha Arbutin Plus Azelaic Biphasic Serum Radiance Concentrate. This is how it looks like. This is for minimizing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation for brighter skin. Now, I have used Alpha Arbutin Serum for Minimalist, and that is something that I absolutely love, and in fact I've mentioned it in some or the other videos as well how much I love it. This is Alpha Arbutin again, and I want to try this and see if this one is better or that one. I will update you all in some way or the other. My next purchase is again a new launch from Dot & Key. It's their Deep Pore Clean Milky Foam Cleanser. It has seaweed and lotus flower, and this is how it looks like. Again, this is a new launch and I wanted to try this, so I have purchased this. I will let you all know how this has been performing and everything. My last purchase is a micellar water from a brand that everyone raves about. The one that I'm talking about is by Bioderma. It's from their Sensi Bio range, and this is how it looks like. It's the small bottle which retails for $3.95 for 100 ml. Now, Bioderma micellar waters are generally on the pricier side, so in comparison to that, this is quite affordable. Also, if you want to try the product and you don't want to buy the full size version, you can surely give this one a try. I have used this a couple of times, and trust me, it removes the most stubbornest makeup, and this bottle will last you for a pretty long time. So yeah, this is my last purchase. With that, we come to an end to this monthly beauty haul video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The fashion video, as promised, will be uploaded very soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.